Crash course on business strategy and management. Gain an understanding of business strategy and management, including leadership and organizational structure. Welcome to this crash course on business strategy and management. In this article, we will explore the fundamentals of business strategy and management, including leadership and organizational structure. We'll start with some interesting examples and stories to excite our readers and then move on to discuss the top 12 business strategy and management techniques. Finally, we'll summarize everything we've learned and end with a poem on this topic. Businesses use various strategies and management techniques to achieve their goals. One such example is Apple Inc. Apple is known for its sleek designs and innovative products, but it is also a master of business strategy. Apple's primary strategy is to create products that are so intuitive and user-friendly that customers feel compelled to upgrade their devices every few years. This approach has helped Apple achieve tremendous success, as evidenced by its enormous market capitalization and loyal customer base. Another example of effective business strategy is Amazon. Amazon's primary strategy is to provide customers with a wide range of products at affordable prices, often with free shipping. This approach has helped Amazon become the world's largest online retailer, with a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. Now, let's dive into the top 12 business strategy and management techniques. 1. SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool that helps businesses identify their internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. 2. Porter's 5 Forces. Developed by Michael Porter, this framework helps businesses analyze the competitive environment in which they operate. The 5 forces are the threat of new entrants, the bargaining power of suppliers, the bargaining power of buyers, the threat of substitute products or services, and the intensity of competitive rivalry. 3. Cost leadership. This strategy involves offering products or services at the lowest possible cost to attract price-sensitive customers. Companies that employ this strategy typically operate on a large scale and benefit from economies of scale. 4. Differentiation. This strategy involves creating unique and valuable products or services that set a company apart from its competitors. Companies that employ this strategy typically charge premium prices for their products or services. 5. Focus. This strategy involves focusing on a specific niche or segment of the market. Companies that employ this strategy typically offer a narrow range of products or services tailored to the specific needs of their target customers. 6. Outsourcing. This strategy involves hiring third-party contractors to perform certain business functions, such as manufacturing or customer service. Companies that employ this strategy typically benefit from cost savings and increased efficiency. 7. Mergers and acquisitions. This strategy involves combining 2 or more companies to achieve strategic objectives such as increased market share, expanded product lines, or cost savings. 8. Diversification. This strategy involves expanding a company's product or service offerings into new markets or industries. Companies that employ this strategy typically seek to reduce risk by spreading their investments across multiple products, services, or industries. 9. Innovation. This strategy involves developing new products or services that meet customer needs or create entirely new markets. Companies that employ this strategy typically invest heavily in research and development. 10. Agile management. This management approach involves a flexible and collaborative work environment where teams work together to achieve goals. Companies that employ this approach typically prioritize customer satisfaction and adaptability. 11. Lean management. This management approach involves minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency to achieve cost savings and productivity gains. Companies that employ this approach typically focus on continuous improvement and employee involvement. 12. Six Sigma. This management approach involves using statistical methods to identify and eliminate defects in a company's processes. Companies that employ this approach typically seek to achieve near-perfect quality in their products or services. In summary, business strategy and management are crucial components of any successful business. By using various strategies and techniques, businesses can improve their performance, achieve their goals, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether it's through cost leadership, differentiation, innovation, or some other approach, a well-crafted business strategy can help companies succeed in the marketplace. However, effective business strategy and management are not one-size-fits-all solutions. Different companies, industries, and market conditions require different approaches. Therefore, businesses must carefully analyze their internal and external environments and develop a customized strategy that meets their unique needs and goals. As for management, effective leadership and organizational structure are critical for success. Leaders must inspire and motivate their teams, make tough decisions, and steer the company towards its objectives. Meanwhile, a well-designed organizational structure can help businesses operate more efficiently and effectively. In conclusion, business strategy and management are complex and multifaceted topics that require careful analysis, planning, and execution. By using the top 12 techniques discussed in this article and adapting them to the unique circumstances, businesses can improve their performance and achieve their goals. And now, as promised, here's a poem about business strategy and management. In the world of business, strategy is king. It's the key to success, the magic thing. With SWOT, Porter's 5, and so much more, companies can achieve their goals and soar. Cost leadership, differentiation, and focus too. Each strategy has its own unique view. Outsourcing, mergers, diversification, and innovation all require dedication. Agile or lean, Six Sigma or not, effective management takes a lot. Leaders must inspire and guide their teams to achieve the goals and fulfill their dreams. So, whether you're a startup or a giant firm, remember, business strategy is the term. Plan, analyze, execute, and lead, and you'll succeed in this game of speed. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.